How's it going? My name is James, and today I'm going to demonstrate my to-do list code I made using JavaScript. I did this in Node, meaning that I'm just coding in the terminal rather than with HTML, which I'll do later in the semester. So to start, I'll run the code here. It's a to-do list, gives us an option to add, view, mark completed, or remove tasks, or just to exit the program. You'll notice that the text is colored. This is the external library that I implemented in my code called Chalk. And I included that over here in my repository. So we'll add a task. What's the name of the task? Let's say brush my teeth. There we go. It's going to ask me if I'd like to add another one. We'll do sure. Let's add another one, and we'll say to read my scriptures. That sounds good. There we go. So we're going to say no. We're all good. So it's going to bring us back to the menu. Here instead, we're going to do view tasks. So now displaying the to-do list. Our first one is brush my teeth. It's not completed yet. Read my scriptures not yet. Press enter to continue. Okay. So now at this point, once we've completed one of these tasks, we can do 3 here. And it's going to say which one would you like to set as completed. Let's say I brush my teeth. We'll put that one in there. And then you'll see down there that it now says it's completed. Read my scriptures. Let's say I completed another one. We'll put 2 for read my scriptures, and now they both say yes. So we're good there. Okay. Finally, we're going to demonstrate removing tasks. So press 4 here. It's going to say which one do you like to remove. Let's do the second one. Put a 2 here. Now you see that we only have the brush my teeth left in there. So we're going to say, would you like to remove another one? Yes, let's do it. Which one? Let's do brush my teeth. Okay. And now we're going to be good. No more removing tasks. So now if you see, if we go to view tasks, it's going to say our to-do list is empty, and it's just going to bring us back to the menu. So it also handles exceptions here. So if I put in like a 7, it's going to say the input is an invalid menu choice. Please enter a number between 1 and 5. Please try again. Enter to continue. And so this is just demonstrating the handling exceptions so that we can only enter a number 1 through 5. And just to show you this as well, if we add a task here, and it's saying, I guess, which one would you like to remove? And we only have 1, and we put 2. The same thing happens until we put the right thing in there. And to end here, I'll put exit, and the program is done. Nope, I put a slash in there too. That's okay. So I organized this in JavaScript up here, just importing the libraries, both readline, which helps me accept input, and chalk, which helps me color the text. So I did this a lot using primarily functions, right? There was a display menu function. This then is what accepted the input 1 through 5, and corresponding, right, on the menu would then send you to add task, view task, complete task, and etc. Here's something I learned with JavaScript is how to, it's with try and catch error. So this is how I'll handle the exception is if it's less than 1 or more than 5, it's going to say it's an invalid choice, and it's going to send us down here. We can try again, and it's going to, here we're just using it recursively, send us back to display menu. And so with any of these, I mean, if we'll look at view tasks here, it's going to cycle through. Oh, if we don't have anything, this is where it says it's empty. But then here, we used for each of some of those ES6 functions to array functions to cycle through it. And then if we actually know a better example is the complete task. Yep. And so if we wanted to complete another one, it would then reference itself. And so there's just putting in some recursive ness into my code. And so overall, I'm pretty happy with the program. It's about, let's see, 244 lines. I think one of the coolest parts of it was learning how to do programming with classes and object-oriented programming within JavaScript. just it's a little bit different. You do the constructor this dot name. It's just a little bit different, but it is fairly similar to C#. So I just had to do some research, some troubleshooting there to end up with this completed finished product. So yeah, thank you very much.